Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari LaFerrari and the Ferrari Enzo. We will explore their key differences, performance metrics, and design philosophies. Understanding these aspects will help you appreciate what makes each vehicle a legendary machine. We'll delve into their engines, power outputs, and how their respective technologies shaped their driving experiences. The Ferrari Enzo, a true icon, boasts a powerful 6.0-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine. This powerhouse delivers 651 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque, offering a raw, visceral driving experience. Its design, inspired by Formula One, emphasizes aerodynamic efficiency and track performance, making it a purist's dream. Moving to the LaFerrari, this hybrid hypercar combines a 6.3-liter V12 engine with an electric motor. This innovative setup generates an astounding 950 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, showcasing advanced hybrid technology. Its active aerodynamics and sophisticated electronics provide unparalleled performance and handling, pushing the boundaries of what a road car can achieve. Deciding which is better truly depends on your preference. The Enzo delivers a pure, unadulterated driving experience with its naturally aspirated V12, a testament to classic Ferrari engineering. The LaFerrari, however, embraces cutting-edge hybrid technology, offering incredible power and efficiency for the modern era. Both are extraordinary, but the LaFerrari's advanced systems give it a performance edge. For those looking to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.